and those just get plugged in either to there, or one of these cords we're gonna put a box right over there. So they're on their standalone system. Gutter installers. Remember to end your gutter past the shingle. I'll just show you on the other side. But like the wire gets tight right there. Let's see. So the wire basically goes from down there. That's the start of it, and then goes all the way up. And then I wired it this from the outside. Overall, friggin', it's gonna look beautiful. The spacing I have here is about 6 inches from the end of the trim board. I just cut up a little template that I have out here, roughly 6 inches. Boom, boom. We'll come back tomorrow and put up the little clips that hide the wires. Sorry, not hide, they secure them.